Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we'll be looking at mastering business analysis techniques as aspiring business analysts. So whether you're a beginner looking to explore the field of business analysis or you're an experienced professional seeking to enhance your skills in business analysis, this video will provide you with the knowledge and tools that you need to excel in business analysis. So let's begin by understanding the importance of business analysis, especially in today's fast-paced and competitive business environment. Business analysis is crucial for identifying and solving problems, for making informed decisions, and for driving organizational success. So let's dive straight into the video, looking at the essential techniques that you need to master as a business analyst. The first thing is requirement engineering. This is where, as a business analyst, you will learn to elicit requirements, learn to document those requirements, and learn to prioritize stakeholder needs. This will really allow you to define clear and actionable project requirements. Really, it's an art form in itself. You're not just collecting demands from the stakeholders, you're not just gathering requirements. So you're uncovering the true needs by understanding the heartbeat of every aspect of the business. So requirements engineering is the heartbeat of business analysis, really, because what we need to do here is to be able to speak, communicate with the stakeholders, to be able to draw out those requirements from the stakeholders, to document them in the right language. Now, the next thing we have is data analysis. Yes, as business analysts, we do data analysis, data manipulation. So generally it will involve examining large volumes of data, maybe to uncover patterns or trends, things like that. So by mastering some sort of data analysis techniques, you'll be able to make data-driven decisions that positively impact your organization. I have an existing video on how to do VLOOKUPs in Excel. So that's one part of data analysis that you should know as business analysts. You really want to know how to use Excel, trust me. So really, in data analysis, we're focusing on how to interpret and leverage the data to inform strategic business decisions. Another critical technique is process modeling. Is top. Actually, it should be the second one after requirements engineering. So in process modeling, you learn how to map and analyze the business processes, to identify areas for improvement as well as optimize efficiency. So if you have strong process modeling skills, you can streamline the operations and enhance productivity within the organization or within the project. You're not just charting out the current processes, you are reimagining them for enhanced productivity and innovation. So you're not just only looking at current, you're trying to think about the future as well. Another technique is effective communication. Is key to have effective communication skills, because in requirements gathering, in requirements documentation, drawing a requirement from stakeholder, understanding the demands, right, prioritizing those requirements, we are communicating with the stakeholders. So communication and collaboration are essential in business analysis. You're not just relaying information, you are building the bridge of consensus that turns various perspectives of the stakeholders into that one unified solution. So you want to be able to effectively communicate with the stakeholders, facilitate workshops, manage conflicts, and really ensure that smooth project execution. So these are the key techniques to have and explore as a business analyst to ensure your success in your role as a business analyst and as well as in your career. Okay, it's something that is really important. Other tips is to know the industry standard software and methodologies. This will also help you. You want to become proficient in these various tools, documentation tools, to really help you to enhance your productivity and deliver exceptional results as a business analyst. So finally, knowing all these techniques is important, but also being able to apply them is key in your business analysis career. look at various certification options, look at networking strategies, just look at various resources. I have a previous video that talks about resources to help you become a better business analyst and take your career to the next level. Again, you can't do all this on your own. Find resources, online resources, mentorship, forums that will help you to be able to apply these techniques and build the confidence that you need. Thank you for watching today's guide on mastering business analysis techniques. I hope you found the information valuable. As always, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this content. You never know who it might help. Till I see you in my next one. Peace.